Hello friends, welcome to our channel Snails. Today I am going to show you how to make a hip belt by using the aari needle. It is the very simple, at the same time very pretty look design. All of them using the design very easy. So let's get started. For making hip belt, here I am taking the 18-inch frame because I needed only 16-inch size. So I measured that like this. I need only 16-inch. So that frame is more than suitable for that making the hip belt. So here I am using the scale, long scale and straight line, fully straight line stitches. So I'm just mark it that by using the scale, long scale, and you mark it that long straight line and you started the chain stitches. Very simple chain stitches I am given. I am 2 layer of chain stitches here I am giving. Here I am giving chain stitches only for stitching purpose only. After completed 2 layer of chain stitches, next I am going to design the grind bead. That is the grind bead look like this. So many of grind bead is there. Here I am using this type of grind bead. And how to I take that bead, you already see that way to you take that bead. It's quickly completed design and easy to take that bead. So that way too I am always that way to taking that bead. It is easy to take a bead, and every places I given to the one bead after I given one stitches, because so many videos I told you if I am given any kind of beads, that way too I given one bead after I given stitches. That is the good way of stitching every beads. After completed that grind bead layer, next I am going to design the bead layer. The bead is the medium size. It's fully coated with golden color. It is not an antique bead. Here also you see that I am given one bead after I given stitches. So that is the correct way to stitch that kind of medium size bead. If you are using the sugar bead, 2 bead after you given stitches, it's good. But the type of that big size bead you are using any kind of design, 2 bead more, it's not good. 1 bead after given stitches, it's good, because that time your stitch is very stiffly. After removing that frame, it's having the loose stitches is happened. Next layer I am going to stick the pink color round stone. So here I am applying the more amount of fabric glue, because there is no stitching place is there in this round stone. So here I am applying the more amount of fabric glue in this pink color round stone. One stone after very closer to given another stone. That is the one of the design. So here I am given one stone after very closer to given another stone. After sticking that pink color round stone, next I am going to design the butterfly motif design. Next layer I am attached that butterfly motif. So here I am taking the very normal needle, normal sewing thread also I am here using that. In center place having the hole is there in this butterfly. So in center place I insert that thread and I given to that needle another side and take it another one butterfly. Same way to stick it every places. Here one thing you noted that you are giving directly on the thread. That place you given to that 2 times you insert needle and then you take that butterfly, because it's given to that very stiffness. So 2 times you insert the needle without the butterfly, and then you stick it that butterfly. You insert that thread, insert that needle inside of that butterfly holes. It is very stiffness it's given. So you also follow the tip. After sticking that butterfly design look like this. Next I am same design I given that place. So here I am applying the fabric glue. I am already told you there is no sticking place for that round stone. So here I am applying the more amount of fabric glue. Here one tip I want to share that if you are applying fabric glue, you must given at least 10 or 15 minutes time period for drying fabric glue. If you are don't given time period for drying fabric glue, you suddenly remove that frame, that entire design is missed. So don't do that mistake. In learning of aari design in very beginning stage, I am also doing that kind of mistake. So you don't do that mistake. After sticking that pink color round stone, next again I given to that grind bead. What a design I followed that above that part, same design I followed that design. I planned that hip belt. I needed 2 inch hip belt I needed. So here I given to that in center place 1 inch I given to that butterfly motive, and below and above the part I given to the grind bead and the golden coated medium size round bead, and in center place of that place in the butterfly above and below I given to the pink color round stone, and that place I given to that pink color round stone because of that is the yellow shade, at the same time it look like the orange color shade also, so pink color is more suitable for that hip belt, so that combination I am used here. So here I am given to that pink color round stone, and then I make it that hip belt both side it's very straight line stitches fully I given, so beginner easy to stitch it that design, and some places also I given to that tip how to I stick it that every beads, and after completed that entire hip belt design, that means bead work, next I given to that 2 layer or 3 layer of chain stitch because it's needed for stitching purpose. Next I am going to stitch that hip belt. So in this place I cut that fabric, how much amount of design I designed, the same amount of fabric I needed because in back side need a finishing look, so I cut that fabric. After cut that fabric look like this, and I already told you back side also I using the one cloth, so same cloth I take it, and which place I given to the chain stitch, that place I given to that stitches. After completed that stitches, how it's look in that place I am also given to the triangle shape for that ending place. After completed that hip belt look like this. And if you are felt this video is useful, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Thanks for watching.